All right, so guys, quickly, I want to show you how to register for Jumia Black Friday. This is going to be a very quick video because it's almost the deadline, and just thought I should show you guys how to do this. Of course, I know you know the importance of Black Friday, but I just want to state it here that for last year's Black Friday, according to Jumia press release, they said they got about 1.8 million customers in Black Friday alone and 4.3 million orders, which was about 18% increase from the previous year, which is 2023. So if they are getting this much sale in 1 month, which is the November month or the Black Friday month, I think it's ideal for you as a vendor to join this sale period. So Black Friday is basically giving additional discounts to what you currently have on your store. So the discount ranges from 5% to 90%. I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you're a vendor already, just come to vendorcenter.jumia.com and you click on sign in. It's going to take you to a dashboard like this. So you put in your email address and your password, and then you click sign in. All right, so your store is going to open up like this. Of course, like I said, if you are an active seller, if you don't have a store on Jumia, you want to sell on Jumia watching this video, simply go to the channel and watch this video, how to create a store on Jumia. Watch this video on how to understand the fees involved with selling on Jumia, and also watch this video on how to list your product on Jumia. So we currently have all these, even though they are 2024. I'm going to be making the new updated video upload on this particular channel. So if you're new, just subscribe, turn on the bell notification, so when I make that video, you're going to be notified. All right. So, and again, I'm also going to show you how to sell on Jumia with Qurnex. So if you're not in Lagos or you're not in Nigeria and you want to sell on Jumia and Konga in Nigeria, Qurnex can help you handle all your order processes. Like if you sell on Konga, on Gigi, on Jumia, on social media, or your website, you can hand over your item to Qurnex. Qurnex will store your item for you. Whenever you get an order, we pick, pack, and fulfill your orders for you. Ship your orders faster, and we manage your returns and your inventory. So, of course, I'm going to be explaining this in a later video, but you can come to qurnex.co/Jumia to read more about the services of Qurnex. You can click on this WhatsApp button here to chat us. We're going to get a response mostly within 30 minutes or to 10 minutes. You're going to get a response if you chat us on WhatsApp. So let's go back to the video today. We want to join Jumia Black Friday. So you log into your store and you go to this icon here where it says promotion. Now remember, your products are all active. You're currently selling. Once you click on promotion, right now where the Black Friday is going on, you can see it's ending on the 30th of October. So people ask me, when is Black Friday starting? Black Friday is every Friday in the month of November. All right. So right now, doing this video, you can still join the promotion. So click on join promotion right here. The system is going to kind of select products in your store that are eligible for Black Friday. Most times, it's not all the products in your store that are eligible for Black Friday. So the system is going to select the ones that are eligible. So for example, let's say the system selects these few that are eligible for Black Friday. So one thing to know that your promo stock must be more than 5 units. So this one we have 44, 45, they are all eligible. This one we have 0 stock, they are not eligible. Like we cannot put this on Black Friday, except we increase the stock unit to maybe 10 or 20. Basically what you currently have to sell, then you can easily add it on Black Friday. You understand? So again, like I said, you can give discount from minimum of 5% and a max of 90%. So since I'm currently selling this particular product for 7,009, we can simply say, okay, we want to give out 8%, and the system, once you click away, the system is just going to give out the discounts here. We say we want to give 10% on this particular one, you can put in 10%, you click away, the system is going to add the discount. So what your customers are going to be seeing, or what people are going to be seeing when they come to Jumia, they will see that you're giving additional 10% for your particular product. And this prompts people to buy more. So that's the essence of Black Friday. People come in mass to buy products lesser than the original price. So as a vendor, the reason why you are giving this additional discount is to kind of reduce your profit a bit, but to increase your volume, your number, your order volume. All right. So the more orders you get, you clear out your stock, you make some money, and you try to restock. All right. So that's why this discount is really, really important. So, but what we advise is that try to give as much as 10% so that you can get more sales, you can leverage on the Black Friday. So once you click this, once you give the discount and your stock level is, or your promotion stock level is up to standard like this, you're going to see this submit button will be activated here. And you will see it check. So let me just do one again so that I take note of that. So let's say we are giving 15% on this one. Once we click away, you can see it's check, and this can be highlighted here. So right now, just remove this because we're not giving, these are out of stock already. So now, since these are all approved, we're just going to click submit. So once you click submit, you simply go to where it says view submitted products. So let me just click on that. All right, so you can see the product that we've submitted already in this particular store. So in this store, we're just adding 3 products out of all the products we have for Black Friday, and you can see they are all approved. So from the first Friday of November to the last Friday of November, when customers sees our listing, they're going to be seeing that we're giving additional discounts on our products, on this particular product. So this is basically how to add products to, or how to join the Jumia Black Friday promotion. I hope you've gained a lot in this video. Like I said, you can go to the channel, watch some videos, how to list more products to your store, how to create a store if you don't have a store watching this video right now. And if you want to sell with Qurnex, you have products, you're not in Lagos or you're not in Nigeria and you want to sell on Jumia through Qurnex, Qurnex can help you handle everything when it comes to the shipping, when it comes to handling your stock level, or getting back your returns, repackaging it, and helping you fulfill all your Jumia orders. Qurnex can do all that for you. So you can simply come to the website, read more, or just simply chat us up. There's somebody always available to respond to your chat. So thank you so much for watching this short video, and I hope you join the Black Friday and I hope you get a lot of sales. See you later.